Thank you. My name is Steve Lapp, and I'm the COO and co-founder of Feris BuildTech. It's a pleasure to discuss with you at this time our Harmonic, Feris's advanced building envelope, and talk with you about manufacturing, some of our cost savings, customization and flexibility, and the role Harmonic can play in conversion and rehabilitation of existing housing stock, all within the context of rapid housing and rapid housing initiatives. Meet Harmonic. Harmonic is Feris's advanced building envelope, which is a leap forward in building envelope technology. And what makes Harmonic special is its intentional and purposed thermal breaks. Right from the beginning and right from design, breaking thermal bridging is designed and thought through. It's not an add-on or an afterthought, as is frequently found in the construction industry. Feris's Harmonic advanced building envelope can be carbon reducing, sustainably sourced, and can be delivered and built with minimal waste. This results in significant progress towards meeting Canada's carbon reducing targets. I like to think of Harmonic as elegantly engineered for high performance. The elegant engineering results in significant customizability and versatility. Just to consider a couple of build types and categories for Harmonic's versatility includes multi-unit residential buildings, or MURBs, single-family dwellings, duplexes, triplexes, stacked towns, or townhouses, row houses, and even considering some of the new sustainable tiny villages that we start to see popping up here and there, as well as intergenerational and aging in place living. As these kind of values and considerations enter into our culture and society, Harmonic is customizable and very versatile for these build types. In addition to that, Harmonic can be customized intentionally in its design. It can do radius corners without thermal compromise. It's frequently a added value or value added component. Harmonic provides natural, high-performing cathedral ceilings without some of the challenges and thermal and moisture issues that are often found in wood framing cathedral ceilings. And of course, Harmonic is thermally and structurally customizable to any performance standard or need. Structurally, it can be designed to Category 4 and 5 hurricane ratings, and thermally, it can hit Passive House standards, LEED Platinum, and a variety of our thermal performance standards in the industry. Dealing specifically with conversion and rehabilitation of our existing housing stock, Harmonic is well positioned to work with existing buildings. These categories include heritage restoration, whether that be stone, wood, or brick, deep retrofits of low-rise, mid-rise, and other building types, commercial, steel infill, those kinds of things. When we consider conversion and rehabilitation, there's vulnerable spots that often are overlooked or are challenging to deal with in our walls and our roofs, including the eaves, wall plates, and rim boards. Harmonic pays particular attention to these areas and provides thermal breaks in these areas for high performing. The end result is that we don't have to tear down our existing housing stock in order to be high performing. We can tackle our existing housing stock, and this will be required as part of our carbon reducing strategy and to meet our targets. It's unsustainable and unrealistic to anticipate or to expect that we will meet our housing targets with just new housing stock. Harmonic provides ideal health and safety, high indoor air quality at while at the same time significantly reducing lower heating and cooling costs, 50% or greater in many circumstances. From a manufacturing lens, Harmonic's fabricating processes are CNC driven for accurate customization. We are customizable in terms of our panel sizes for shipping and installation needs. Some illustrations to that would be optimizing panel sizes for shipping containers for the far north, or for rail cars and those kinds of shipping circumstances, open deck transport trucks or closed shell transport trucks as well. Our fabrication system has no hazardous processes in fabrication. Harmonic is design responsive and is scalable and has design efficiencies that can be built into it. What does this look like? We have a responsive volume scale up on demand of up to 2 times expansion capacity within 3 months. More significantly, though, when we consider the design of our modular buildings, we can design them in such a way for panelized efficiencies. And Harmonic is well positioned to take advantage of that kind of design responsiveness. It's important to note that in our prefab design, the window and door openings come pre-cut, and so they're already there for you. Corners are accurate and square. The corner comes as one piece frequently, and panels, again, can be customized for shipping and installation needs. In addition to this, panel weight is a significant game changer with Harmonic. EPS and steel is significantly lighter than a traditional or a wood-framed structurally insulated panel. This results in being able to hand install in many circumstances, or where you have mechanical aids for installation, larger panels can be deployed. Some of the cost benefits that we'd like to talk about with Harmonic really come down to the comparison of labor or time versus materials. And those of us in the modular space think about this all the time, and what the difference is as it relates to labor and time versus material, both in a manufacturing facility as well as on-site and in construction. And so where these kind of labor and time versus materials lands depends greatly on the type of materials that are used, as well as the design of how a build goes together. So Harmonic has thought quite a bit about this, and again, can be uniquely customized and is versatile to specific needs for specific build types, as well as build methodologies. Additional cost benefits include reduced on-site GC logistics and downtime, including sorting through damaged goods and calling your raw materials or your wood supply, those kinds of elements. At least 2 times install speed is expected with Harmonic. In part, that's because Harmonic offers the framing, the insulation, and the potential for vapor barrier all in one. In the Canadian climate, this is very significant because the time to insulated envelope is significantly reduced with Harmonic. And as I alluded to earlier, our CNC prefabrication results in accuracy for downstream trades efficiencies. The possibility for square corners for cabinet makers it's a good thing. And finally, but not leastly, waste management is very, very critical, both for our landfills and for our recycling capacity. You can consider a 600 square foot small home with Harmonic, the building envelope. You might walk away with 2 or 3 garbage bags full of waste from the building envelope aspect of the construction. To summarize, all these features result in Harmonic's capacity to be on budget, on time, and highly customizable. On budget in terms of prefabrication, tends to secure cost accuracy. Harmonic's scalability in manufacturing allows it to be on time. And Harmonic's customizability results in satisfied homeowners and users, as well as general contractors in specific and unique job site circumstances, as well as build types.